I'm Jolene Lawson, owner of Lomar Bowling Supply. Lomar Bowling Supply is a full-line distributor of all the major manufacturers of bowling equipment that is produced in the United States. We buy anything and everything that is produced in the marketplace for a bowler, and we send it out to bowling centers and pro shops all over the United States and in 7 foreign countries. When we went looking for a new platform, we really wanted to embrace the B2B portal. We knew we wanted a website. We knew we wanted bells and whistles. We had no idea how to get them, and those were very intriguing to us from Systum. We also wanted resources of running the data back to QuickBooks. And we wanted a platform that could hold our hand to get it done so that we could focus on selling bowling equipment, not worrying about how to run the accounting software.
My name is Mandy Garrett, and I'm the Senior Sales Representative here with Lomar Bowling Supply. All of our customers do have separate pricing levels. When the customer signs on to the website, the price that they see is the price that they pay.
Our biggest asset is our inventory. We have a lot of SKUs. A little over 29,000 SKUs. So keeping our inventory organized or allowing our pro shops to know what inventory we have is extremely important. We have split warehouses. We have inventory in several warehouses. There were not very many platforms that offered us the availability to be able to have warehouses separate or look at reports and things together. So the splitting of the warehouse management was really important to us from Systum. And the reports and the data that we can use to generate reports have been tremendous. When a product is no longer selling, we can access what products those are. We can run some promotions on those. So not only does it help us in the data that's really selling to make sure that we bought enough, it's telling us you have dollars that are sitting here that are not moving. Go run this report and see what your 10 slowest selling items are so that we can turn that money into something that'll move faster. We needed a software that would grow with us, that would allow us to expand unlimited our customer base, also our product base. Manufacturers are manufacturing and outputting so many new products that we needed the growth capabilities. 29,000 SKUs is what we have now. We might have 50 in 2 years. We need a company that would grow with us, that was able to maintain that kind of growth, and Systum had it.